Today, I'll explain how getting help from a lawyer before a police investigation in Korea, like at the Seoul Dongdaemun police station, can truly affect the final outcome. Many people only focus on the trial result, but the direction of a case is almost entirely set during the initial investigation stage. The statements and evidence gathered then become the foundation for all future decisions. A police investigation isn't just a simple chat. It's a formal process of creating a record. Every question is designed to check for legal elements, and every answer can be recorded as proof of your intent or awareness. If you go in unprepared, you might ramble on about how unfair the situation is and completely miss the key points. Later, when you read the official statement, you might be shocked and wonder why you answered the way you did. That's why reorganizing the facts chronologically and matching them with your evidence beforehand directly impacts the result. Every criminal case has different key issues. For theft, it's about possession and intent. For fraud, it's about deceit and the intent to gain something unfairly. For soliciting prostitution, it's about payment and awareness. There's a huge difference between understanding the purpose of a question before you answer and just reacting on the spot. A lawyer's role isn't to speak for you, but to help design how your story is officially recorded. Another key point is how the case flows into the next stages. It can lead to indictment, a summary order, a formal trial, or a settlement. Sometimes it expands into civil lawsuits for damages or even enforcement issues. A single criminal matter can also affect your immigration status or your job. That's why we don't look at criminal, civil, and administrative issues separately. We review them all together as one interconnected case. This structural approach is what changes the outcome. Even during a consultation, we don't immediately assume we'll take your case. We first analyze it, connecting it to any related criminal, civil, family, or real estate issues, and determine if you have a solid defense. Sometimes deciding not to take a case is the better choice for the client. Just like a hospital doesn't start treatment without a diagnosis, we review your materials first and then explain the best path forward. Since 2009, our standard has been a preparation-focused response. After opening in 2014, we've always explained the legal structure without exaggeration, handling every case as if it were going to court the very next day. The final result is built on this accumulation of thorough preparation. Ultimately, the impact of having a lawyer before a police investigation isn't about clever wordplay. It's about setting the right direction. You need a strategic framework that foresees the entire path, from investigation and trial to enforcement and administrative procedures. This is the standard we apply at Asin Law Firm across criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law. If you need a consultation, please check the description below. Liking and subscribing helps us provide more detailed legal insights. Thank you.